Dear students, this is module number 43 for the subject of strategic human resource management. In this module number 43, we will start discussing about typologies of HR functional roles. The first role we will discuss the model developed by Legis in 1978. If you guys remember, in the last few modules, we have talked about CIPD HR professional roles or the scope of HR functions in the light of CIPD research. As I said before, that the CIPD roles are mainly identified or developed by practitioners. However, academics have also offered, based on their research, some roles for the HR profession or HR professionals. The first one we will discuss is Legis 1978 model of HR power and intervention. The second model we will discuss is the Tyson and Phelps 1986 building site analogy. The third model we will discuss Stories 1992 strategical and tactical model. The fourth model in this series of 5 modules we will discuss is Ulrich's original HR champion model and his updated typology of HR roles. That model was further updated roughly around 8 years by Ulrich and Brockbank in 2005. The fifth model, which dominates the field of HR, remains Caldwell's 2001 change matrix. Besides CIPD, Chartered Institute of Personnel and Development, 10 roles and their recommendations that these are the areas or these are the functions they fall within the scope of strategic human resource management or HR professionals. Beside those 10 roles, researchers and academics studied organizations for years and years in the United States and in the United Kingdom mainly, but definitely in some other countries as well. And after studying organizations, these academics have developed these 5 models. These 5 models may not stand alone or may not be mutually exclusive. They may have something in common because at the end of the day, these are the HR professionals' roles they play day to day in different organizations. So in other words, these roles may have some parts which are similar to other models or which are similar to other authors. However, they are distinct and they offer some insight into the HR profession. What could be the possible role of HR? What could be the possible functions of HR? What comes in the domain of human resource professionals? What is the responsibility of other line managers? What are the conflicting issues when HR professionals are playing these roles? So these models are based on these observations and readings from academics or researchers. The first model we are talking about is Legis 1978 HR Innovator Model. Legis model is about HR professional could affect change, or Legis suggested that they can affect change in 3 ways. The 2 roles are operational or tactical roles. When we say tactical roles, actually we are talking about managing something in short term. When we are talking about strategic roles, we are talking something about planned and something long term. So operational roles include conformist innovator, problem solver, while the only one strategic role HR professionals can play is deviant innovator. We will talk about these roles in detail in the next module. Thank you.